Hi guys. So today I want to share with you or teach you how to greet people in Japanese. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'll teach you three ways to greet people in Japanese. Two are pretty formal, and one is a casual way to say hello. So the first one is going to be Ohayo gozaimasu. No, okay. The first one is going to be konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So everyone knows that, yeah? Or most people know that. And Aussie people normally say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. But it's actually pronounced konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. The next one is Ohayo gozaimasu. And that's good morning in English. And you say that as Ohayo gozaimasu, not Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. It's Ohayo gozaimasu. The last one is a contraction of Ohayo gozaimasu. And then what you do is you take the first word o and the last word su, and you just connect those two and you make os. And that's a very casual way of saying hello. Yeah, hope that. I'll just show you. I've written them down. So we have konnichiwa, 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 ohayo gozaimasu, ohayo gozaimasu, and os. Let's say the three ones that we've learned today, yeah? So, repeat after me. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Os. Motherfucker. Yeah, so, ciao. Love you guys. I'll see you guys soon.